Reshma, you look so pretty today. Just like a bird.
Yes, Silekha, I'm dressed as a cuckoo. Our teacher has told us that we will be marked for our dress and dialogues. Aren't you participating in any competition?
No, Reshma, I'm not. I'm here to just enjoy the food that is going to be cooked.
But the food is yet to be prepared. Look at the cooker, pan, pots, they're all empty.
Did you observe how utensils that are used for cooking and the process of cooking itself are different for different recipes?
Hey, look! There is Auntie bringing vegetables and Uncle is washing the rice. I can't wait to taste the food. My mouth is watering already.
What are you doing here? Silekha is eagerly waiting to eat. By the way, what is the menu today?
Auntie, what are you going to cook today?
We are going to make vada pav, chole bhature, pulao, halwa and idli sambar.
Oh, that's yummy!
How will you make idlis? We make them by steaming.
Yes, you are right. We also prepare idlis by steaming.
Uncle, you also know how to cook? In my house, only my mother and grandmother cook.
Yes, I know how to cook. You kids eat and let me know how the food tastes.
But uncle, how do you recognize and remember names of so many vegetables?
Look at the vegetable with big leaves. It is spinach. The one with the small leaves is fenugreek. The tiny leaves is coriander.
Yes, I've got it now. Girls, let's go. Ma'am is calling us backstage. She wants to explain the rules of the competition once again.
Yes, let's go! I have a green body. Red is my beak. I love to eat chilies. Don't think I'm too meek.
You are a parrot and Mittu is your name.
Spreading my beautiful feathers. In the rain, I love to dance. Of our country, I'm the national bird. Peacock is my name. Harpreet, let's go and eat something. I can smell delicious food.
Won't you like to wait for Reshma?
We can always have more with her.
You remember, Sulekha? Our teacher told us so many times not to waste food.
Yes, I remember even my granny tells us not to waste food. She says that we should always share leftover food with people who are deprived. And we always follow her advice.
That's a good suggestion. I will also do the same today. Let's get some puri chole for our grandmothers.
My mother won't eat all this. The doctor has advised her to eat fresh fruits and vegetable soup.
Reshma's performance is about to start. Let's go there quickly.